They're in the second of 2 sets. 45, keep that going. What Romelle's got here is 15 pulls, nice steady pace, 5 max intensity pulls. Keep that good pull form though, even on those steady pace pulls. There we go. Nice full rows, perfect. 53, come on. 54, one more. Right now, 5 big ones, let's go, let's go. Yep. Nice, come on. Come on. One more. Good, steady pace, let's go. We're at 60 now, 61. So, we're starting off with our conditioning, starting this circuit off with our conditioning. Right now, it is our #1 priority in terms of getting Romelle into fighting shape as soon as possible. There we go, that's 75 more than 5 big ones, let's go. Nice. 2 more. Last one. Let's go. Come on. 5. Let's see it. 76. 77. Come on. Yep. Come on. There we go. Keep that intensity up. Come on. Last 15 steady state. 5 big ones. So some intense conditioning here to get going. A nice pull for those rotator cuffs. Every rep. Nice big pulls. Let's go. 89. Good. So sticking with our shoulder focus for today. 93, come on. Everything you got these last 5, let's go. 5 big ones, come on. 96, come on. Do not let up. 2 more. Last one, come on. Good, there we go. Very nice, very nice. Very, very nice. Good. We're coming on up, let's go right to our side plank. Right to that side plank. Try and go right into it if you can. So now we're tired. We're going right on into our core work. If you're a boxer, there you go. I don't have to explain to you that you need to be strong while you are fatigued. There we go. Good. Right on up into it. Keep that good form. So right into our isometric core work. The perspective here. There we go. Keep that shoulder pointed toward me. Get that chest up. Good. Those hips up. Good. Hips up. The perspective here is mentally we're fighting through a difficult exercise once we're already exhausted. 5 more. Get those shoulders up, chest up, point them towards me. A little bit more. And good. Right to that other side. Very nice. Count to 10 right to that other side. So we've already pushed the pace on our conditioning. Now we're going directly into not necessarily a super advanced core exercise, right? But a difficult core exercise. The side plank is tough. Good.
Especially when you're tired.
Good. Keep that chest open, pointed towards me. Keep those hips up. Very nice. Keep working to kind of bring those hips forward a little bit more towards me. Yeah, boom. There we go. Very, very nice. Give me about 10 more seconds. And so now these shoulders have gotten work. Almost there. And good. Let's go from the knees into our isometric hold. Yeah, from the knees. Start from the knees. And if you need to rock back, yeah, both of them. Keep the butt back on the heels if you need. So we have our conditioning. Right to our core work. Boom. Another isometric hold. Except more of a strengthening exercise this time. Romelle's going to fight to keep his arms extended. His shoulders down and back. He's really fighting to keep those up. He's trying to get those up there. And I'm going to just give him a little help to the end if he needs it. Good. Keep that going.
Yeah,
keep that going.
Keep
those arms extended.
I'm sorry, y'all.
Shoulders down and back. Good. Keep them there. Keep them right there. Nice. There we go. Keep fighting. Breathe in. Stay focused. Keep those shoulders up. Keep those arms up. Come on. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good.